Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video we are going to see how to use filter function in Google Sheets, and we are going to apply filter function on text, on number and also on date. So let's start. In this tab I want the data, so I'll start with filter. Now we have to give the entire data set which we want to include in the formula. So I'll go to raw data and include all the columns and rows. I'll freeze it, then comma, and then for example I want all the rows with status equals to yes. So now I'm going to select this column, freeze it, equals to, in double quotes, enter yes and bracket. And once you enter, you can see that all the status yes, all the rows with status yes are here. Now let's see how to do this when you want column D is greater than 20 in case of numbers, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this reference here. So I know that the data is in column D, so I'll just change it to D, and it should be greater than what? 20, because it's a number, that's why we are not putting it into double quotes. Enter, and you will see that all the numbers which are greater than 20, the rows are here. In this case it has also given a header because header is not considered as a number, that's why there is header also in this. Now what to do when you want data as per dates, right? So I'll go here and instead of D I'll change it to F, this column, freeze it, then greater than date. You have to apply a date formula here so that it knows that this data is not text, right? And after that the date formula itself takes 3 entries, y, that is for year, then month and date. So I'll just write 2025 comma 01,01 bracket and enter. So now you will see that we can filter the data based on dates as well. I hope this video will definitely save your time, and if you like this video, please like the video as well and keep watching. Thank you.